Hello guys, you're welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be teaching you guys something a little bit different, but it's still how to make money online. And I'm going to be using Binance this time around. I want to teach you guys how to make money farming other crypto that is coming through Binance, that is coming to Binance through Binance Launchpad. So how do you do this? You just is a risk, almost a risk-free business. There are two ways you can do this. The first one is risky, while the other one is less risky. Maybe a little bit risky, but for me, I will say it's risk free. So the first one is a little bit risky because you're going to be using Binance. You're going to be using BNB to farm. And the second one is, I will say, it's risk free because you're going to be using the stable coin to farm, but your stable coin may fall a little bit on the process of doing that. So Binance Launchpad, if you're using Binance, you participate in Launchpad whenever there is a coin that Binance is going to be listing for the very first time. So whenever a crypto is coming into Binance and is coming through Binance Launchpad, you are going to be getting some part of that crypto if you are going to participate in the Binance Launchpad. So I am going to show you two ways in which you can earn money. I will say free, but it's not completely free in the sense that you need to use your money to get those crypto. But it's free in the sense that when you're done farming the crypto, you take your money back and you take the coin that you have farmed, or the token that you have farmed rather, back. So you take those two things back. So this is the way you're going to do it. Like right here, when you open your Binance account, you land on your home page, and me, I've customized in my own in such a way that my launchpad is always on my home page. So whenever I click on the launchpad, it will take me to, on launch pool rather, it will take me to launchpad to see any crypto that is being farming on the launchpad. Moreover, when this happens, whenever it is time to farm a crypto on Binance Launch Pool, there is going to be announcement that such a crypto is going to be farmed starting so day, and you're going to farm it to a so day. So this particular one, we're talking about Cati. Cati's farming started today, earlier around the kind 1 or so, or 12 in the night, and then you have just 4 days to farm it, and right now it is remaining 3 days and 10 hours to farm this. So because I'm holding BNB, I am automatically farming any token that is coming to Binance Launch Pool. This is what I've gotten, 0.04, because I am using a very small amount of BNB to farm this. So but right now I want to show you how to farm it using FDUSD. Before, they used to use USDT to farm this, or BUSD. They used to use BUSD to farm this, but now because Binance have already delisted BUSD, we no longer use BUSD on Binance, so they are using only FDUSD. So let me show you how you're going to do this. I currently have a USDT on my Binance. I'm going to convert it to FDUSD. So if you come here on spot trading, this is USDT I have on my spot, but I'm going to convert it to FDUSD. So I'm going to go to trade. I'll click here on trade. I'll click here on convert, and I'll convert my USDT to FDUSD because I want to stake it in order to farm this particular token. So my USDT is there already, so I'm going to just search for FDUSD. So it's right there. I'm just going to pick it up. So here I'm going to write 50 USDT. That's what I'm going to convert. So when I convert 50 USDT, I'm going to be getting 49.89 FDUSD. So I'm going to click on trade. So 1 USDT is 0.9, so that's why I'm getting that amount. So okay, right now we are done with converting it. So I'm just going straight to launch pool to participate on this. It's actually launch pool on Binance, right? Rather, guys, it's not launchpad. Launchpad is where you participate if you want to buy a coin at a cheaper price before it is launched on Binance. So right now what we do here is launch pool. We farm crypto on launch pool. So I'm just going to click right here on FDUSD, and I'm going to stake my crypto. Your FDUSD will be deducted from your spot account and locked into launch pool. So I'm going to just click on maximum. So I'm going to lock this amount on the this thing on the launch pool. So it said that it has been successfully locked. So here it is. It's going to start farming for me any moment from now. And here I am already farming it with my BNB. The BNB own is the one I'm saying that is a little bit risky, in the sense that, but it's risky if you're just buying BNB now to farm this. It does not worth it. It's better you just buy stable coin, which you know that it doesn't increase or decrease in price. Because if you buy BNB right now, many people will be buying BNB because they want to farm this particular coin. And once before the end of this farming, BNB will go down because people will sell, especially those people that have bought this and they are waiting for it to go up so that they will sell. It's not everybody that will do this farming. Do you understand? So if the price fails during the process of this, you are going to incur so much losses. Do you understand? But if you are farming yours using FDUSD here, you're not going to lose anything. Even if it goes down, you wait for it to come up again before you now convert it back to USDT, or you can even leave it there in FDUSD. Like this particular one right now, after farming, I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to leave it there because hamster, we are also going to farm hamster like this. So I'll just leave it. So when this is done farming, when this farming is done, they are going to return my money to my spot account. Do you understand? Alongside with the crypto that I have farmed. So, and BNB right now, I staked my BNB. So when you stake your BNB, whenever any crypto comes in, you automatically farm it. You don't need to stake anything again to do this. But for the FDUSD, you have to stake. Do you understand? Okay, so when turn came, when I farmed turn, I was not even aware that I was farming any token when I farmed this particular one. But I farmed only with BNB because that is the one I have staked. So when you stake your BNB, any crypto that comes in, you are automatically farming that particular crypto. That is the advantage of BNB. So for me, I am new in crypto, but not that new. I have come to learn some certain things in crypto. And in next bull run, or let me say in the next bear market, close to the next bull run, I'm going to purchase BNB. That one is, I know that one, that is what I'm going to do. It is one of the crypto I'm going to purchase during that time. You know, like 2022 was the heart of the bear market. Do you understand? So 2023 was when the bull run started. I don't mean you bought your BNB in 2023, let's say February, March. Then till now you'll still be holding your BNB and you'll not be in loss. You'll be in mega profit and you'll still be holding your BNB and be getting all these benefits while they are coming. Like any crypto that is coming, any crypto that is coming into Binance through the Binance launch pool, you're going to be getting it as long as your BNB is staked. Do you understand? So that is just how to make money on this particular one using BNB or FDUSD. You do not have to, you are not going to lose anything. Even if BNB goes down, you won't still lose it if you are patient. That is, if you are not in a hurry to use your money, leave it there. It will come up again for you to sell. That is if you are not in the bear market. Because if you're in the bear market, you might lose it all. But you will still not lose it all because BNB has value. Do you understand? So if you might lose a lot, but during the bull market, it will come up again and even enter into profit. So crypto has to do, you have to, if you want to get into crypto, you have to go and look for patience, sew it like clothes and wear it. That's how it works. Crypto is not what you just jump in today and make money tomorrow. So that's just all I have for you guys for this video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do not forget to give me thumbs up, and if you're interested in more of crypto stuff, subscribe to my channel because more of it will be coming. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.